Whale of a time with whale oil. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English idioms to understand the phrase, whale oil. You might wonder, does it have something to do with actual whales and oil? Let's find out. Whale oil literally refers to the oil obtained from the blubber of whales. It was once widely used for lighting, lubricants, and as a base for some soaps and cosmetics. However, in the context of slang or idiomatic usage, whale oil isn't a common English idiom by itself. That said, there's another related phrase, whale of a time, which means to have a great or enjoyable time. It's a fun way of expressing that you really enjoyed something. For instance, I had a whale of a time at the party. The term, whale oil, dates back to times when hunting whales was common. Whale oil had multiple uses and was a valuable commodity in the 18th and 19th centuries. However, its use declined in the 20th century due to the development of superior alternatives and the realization of the ecological and ethical implications of hunting whales. While whale oil is not commonly used as an idiom, understanding its literal meaning can give insights into historical references in literature, movies, or other media. Here are some example sentences. 1. Historical context. During the 19th century, many ships sailed in search of whale oil. 2. Economic context. The town prospered during the days when whale oil was in high demand. And if you come across whale of a time, remember its fun context. Here's how you can use it. 1. We went to the amusement park yesterday and had a whale of a time. 2. Watching that comedy show was great. I had a whale of a time laughing. That's a wrap on whale oil and its connection to English idioms. Although not a popular idiom by itself, it's fascinating to learn about phrases that have roots in our history and culture. We hope you had a whale of a time learning with us today. Stay curious and keep exploring the depths of the English language.